Hi everyone, I'm Rochelle Reimers, Dima's Communications Manager, and if you're anything like me, I find the process of taking a single marketing message and adapting it for various platforms such as websites, emails, social media posts, and more incredibly draining and time-consuming. If this resonates with you, you'll love what I have for you today. Today's lesson is a quick one, but it has the potential to save you hours of your precious time every week. As you may recall, last month we talked about how to use ChatGPT for things other than copywriting, but today we're going to talk about how you can use it to generate variations of your marketing copy or even repurpose your existing content, saving you precious time and brain power. So let's dive into it and open up ChatGPT. For our first life hack, we are going to ask ChatGPT to generate multiple variations for a very specific audience from a social media post we already have written. I'm going to give it the prompt, create 3 variations of this social media post for Facebook for a dive consumer audience, and then paste in my existing post. And look at that, it gave us 3 variations and even provided us with some hashtags that might be worth researching to see if they could be effective in expanding our reach. For our second life hack, we are going to take existing copy from an email and ask ChatGPT to repurpose it for another use. I'm going to take copy from an email we sent out about the Dima Rewards program and ask ChatGPT to write a Facebook post from it. I'll use the prompt, rewrite this as a short Facebook post, and then paste in our copy. How amazing is that? Imagine how much time this could save you and how effective it could be in helping you customize and differentiate your messaging. Now, a word of warning, please do not use what it gives you verbatim. In both these scenarios that I just demonstrated, I wouldn't simply copy and paste what ChatGPT gave me. I would use it as a starting point and go through it, making modifications based on accuracy, brand voice, logic, and so on. Maybe incorporated too many emojis. Maybe the information is good, but would be better presented by, say, using bullet points. Maybe you only use a phrase of what it gives you because you like how it's worded, but the rest of it you write on your own. The point is that you still need to customize it so it's appropriate for your business, the audience, and the placement you'll be using it for. As I mentioned in our previous video on ChatGPT, no one, including AI, knows your business and customers better than you do. So while these life hacks won't entirely relieve you of the responsibility of copywriting, they can certainly be helpful by providing inspiration and saving you time. I encourage you to give it a try and see how it works for you and your messaging. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email is rochelle@dima.org.